Today we're going to go over how to draw an Among Us chill guy. You know, chill guy, the meme, but we're going to do an Among Us version of it. So let's get started, okay? I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to draw a curve right here for the Among Us, the crewmate, you know, lens that he has, the visor. Curve over the top. And curve over here to the right. This is going to be really easy, by the way. Super simple. So hopefully you can join in. Line right there for the front of that visor. Gonna go over here to the top of the head. Line about so. And I would say about this point, maybe a little bit past the center over here on the right side. You want to go over here and draw like the ear that that guy has. And then you draw the ear in the back. It's almost like a little panel or something. So it looks like. Then you draw a line down, like so. Gonna go continue over here to the back. Down. Here. Gonna go here to the front. I'm gonna pull that line down. And I would say I'm gonna continue to pull it all the way down to the feet area. So as you know, Among Us characters, this is more of an Among Us version, right, than a chill guy version. So he's not going to have any arms, right? Like Among Us characters don't have arms. They just don't. So I'm going to draw a line over here, flat, and a line over here, flat. Because I do want to draw the shoes, though. Line up over here. Line over here for the lower body. Line up over here for the other leg. First thing is I'm going to draw the folded up pants right there, that layer. Like the jeans, he's folded up those jeans. I'm going to draw a line over here across for that sweater shape. And then another line right here, like a thinner line underneath that for the bottom of that sweater, right? And you're going to draw lines upward for that sweater shape. You know, that kind of crinkliness at the end of like a sweater in general. And then we're going to do the exact same thing over here around the neck. Right here. It's like a slight curve and then another less curved. And then we're going to draw a line, line, line for like that sweater shape going on that he has. All right. So far, so good. Let's draw the shoes. Curve. Line underneath, up there. Line over here on this side. Curve, line underneath, up. Line at the front. Line at the front. Right there for the sole of the shoe. Line, line. Line right there. And you can draw like a line across them right here at the front for kind of like the laces, right? But the shoes are a big part of that character, right? Since we're not going to be able to have him, you know, put his hands in his pockets because he's got no arms. So we pretty much just kind of have to kind of settle for that. So I'll draw a line down his jeans right there. And then like a line across, like the crinkling of the pants. And we can draw like a line right here at the crinkling of the pants of the kind of the knee area as well, and then maybe like a line up here for the seam of the pants, right? Like the side where they sew it. That's kind of something to throw in there. But he has no arms, so he's not going to be having the arms in his pockets. I was going to cheat it, but I was like, you know what? No, we got to stay true to form. We got to stay true to the Among Us world, right? All right, we got to. This is more of an Among Us thing. Back over here. Downward, curve in here. Now, let's go over here. Well, I guess you could throw a little bit of folding on the shirt a little bit. But the other thing is you want to throw a little bit of a curve in that lens because you want to make it look like, oops, it is. You want to make it look like it's 3D. Circle right here. And line over here, fill it in. over here. And we keep it going. And honestly, we're just kind of drawing any wavy shape in that lens. And because the reason we're doing that is we want it to look a little bit reflective. That's kind of the whole point of it. Actually, right here in the backpack, we could draw a split as well. Almost like the jeans kind of keep going or something. Or like the sweater keeps going. Maybe we can throw like that kind of shape, like a split in color. That'd be kind of fun. And then I want to draw like a thick line. Well, I forgot. Well, no, I didn't forget. Let's draw like a thick line across around the entire thing. Let's draw a thick line. Around the entire thing, and it kind of it contains the entire drawing. By the way, don't forget I'm going live every day. Sometimes it's live publicly, and then sometimes it's live, in the members section. So just kind of check that out. Member section also has like a giant library of me going live because I'm going to go live like a lot, but definitely check it out. It's just something I like to do now. I just go live and I usually just draw whatever random thing that I'm thinking of. It's kind of like, I don't know, it's a fun, weird kind of thing going on. I just like doing that stuff. It's become like a relaxing thing for me to go live. So I'm just gonna go live a lot more. It's gonna be kind of ridiculous how much I'm gonna go live. So yeah. All right, go over here. Yeah, I even put a thick line right here because this is a negative space, right? It's in between his legs. You know what I mean? And it just makes a lot of sense. And I might throw a thicker line right here because it's in front of that character. But do me a favor, share the video, hit the like on the video. But I want you to really share it if you can. And also, I want to hear your voice. So let me know what else you want to see on the channel. I respond to every single comment. And yeah, I love kind of hearing what you guys have to say. So thanks so much. I want you to stay there. We're going to go to another drawing lesson right now. So stay right there. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.